Hello and welcome to my channel, LB Plans. My name is Elle, and today I am doing a plan with me for the month of October. And I am using this month and actually last month to kind of prepare myself for the change to the new Wonderland222 format for the unstacked. So my goal is to use more markers, more journaling kits for as deco, but try to keep it a little bit simpler. Not that I have to, but it's just I want to try something different where I'm not just like, I don't know, overfilling my pages with stickers or whatever. I just want to, something a little bit more simpler. So this month I did print out the Sterling Inks A5 dashboard, and for the first time, I actually printed out the template for the sticky notes, and that's what you see in the beginning. I have the sticky notes there. Um, I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but I thought it was pretty cool. Plus, I had the sticky notes that were kind of in the color theme. It's so funny. This is how finicky I actually am. Um, I planned out that I'm going to use this color theme of kind of like a mustard yellow and orange or brown. And I found this journaling kit as a printable on Etsy, and I'll link the information below. And I wanted to change the color, but I felt like I had already committed to it. Completely Simply Gilded's fault, because they had this beautiful Mysteria kit that came out, and I would have thought like, oh my God, that purple would have been so great for this month. And this is kind of my problem, that why I don't typically try to design or set up my planners ahead of time, because I just don't know what I'm going to want in that month beforehand. For those who can do it, I tip my hat off to you. You are the real MVPs, because I've been trying. So I'm still working on just functional layouts of my 2024 Wonderland planner. And if you want me to share that information of my thought process of how I go through it with my sticky notes, just drop me a comment down below and I will record a video on it, because it is a thought process. But like I said, when it comes to deco, I can't pre-decorate because I just don't know. And I just like the pretty things. Sometimes, I don't want to see anything. And sometimes it's like, oh, it's so pretty. So I struggled a lot with this particular kit, but not necessarily because of the kit, more of because of the paper that I printed the kit on. I had some Avery clear matte labels, full page. Typically when I print my own stickers, I don't use Avery products, but this is what I had on hand, and I was like, we're going to make it do what it do. And it didn't. Adjusting to cut to that size, it's crazy. Oh my God, I feel like my teenager. But it is to adjust to that size for that paper, and it seems like I cut too hard, so it kind of cuts through, which makes it harder to lift the stickers off the paper. Yeah, we gotta figure out that setting, or I just need to go back to online labels and get me some more clear sticker paper, either or. Um, Not that I plan on doing printables, but just in case. So as you see, I'm kind of going down and I'm marking everything that is important. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys a close up, but I felt like it was better to kind of see the visually how it's all kind of laying out versus me going like step by step. So on my monthly, I'm going to go through it and kind of pre-plan those events that are already happening. We have homecoming, we have baseball games, things where I have to actually be somewhere. Those are the items that I wanted to go ahead and put out on my monthly. And then on the review, I kind of went back to a different structure, maybe slightly modified, where, and you'll see me keep flipping back to find that structure of where I would just list eating out. But this month I am trying a 14-day no eating out streak, because this last 2 weeks have been horrible in my household, mainly because stress has been stressing, and I'm not going to lie about that. It's been a lot that has been going on with my work, and it's just interfering with my health now. So I got to get things back on track. For me, this last quarter is spoil me month. So I am going to be working on loving on me, doing things that make me happy, that brings me joy. It sounds a little selfish, but at the end of the day, I got to be here for my family, and I can't let these people stress me out to death. So if you're in my boat, get on this journey with me. The last quarter is going to be about me. Make it about you. So, and actually, this is actually probably a good segue to go into the giveaway. I appreciate you guys so much and everything that you have done to help support my channel. I know I have taken months and months off and come back and then take more months off. That's just how life is. I will work on becoming more consistent as I get a better flow for my day-to-day routine going forward. But I wanted to do a giveaway since I did reach the milestone of 500 subscribers. So I will be doing a giveaway. So to enter into the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. That seems pretty simple. That's just the generic requirement. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Number two, I'm sure you guys are aware of how the algorithm works for the AI. So if the more people that likes my videos, the more that it pumps the videos out to more people. So if you could be so kind to like this video, and that will actually be a qualifier for you to be a part of the drawing or a giveaway, however you want to call it. And number three, leave me a comment about what is your most preferred pen to use in your planner. And it doesn't matter what planner it is. I'm just curious to know. So I use this as an opportunity to get more information. So tell me down in the comments below, what is your favorite pen to use, or the pen that you reach for the most in your planner? And that's it. I will enter you into the drawing for gift cards for either Wonderland222 or two of my favorite journaling sticker shops. So that's how I'm going to do it. It's either going to be for you to get your own Wonderland222 planner, so you'll get a gift card to that shop, or you'll get a gift card to Mandy Lynn Plans, which that's one of my favorite shops that I use. And then I have to pick the third shop. But when I do the video for the giveaway, I will make sure that the shop's informations are there. And that's it. So getting back with this plan with me, you're seeing me go back and write in my family meetings because I forgot. And I would say that's the benefit of having the same type of setup. I forgot to put it on my monthly calendar, but on my overview page, since I always kind of put goals to the top and family meeting discussion topic items below, that let me know that, oh, you didn't put it on there. And actually, I caught this at the end. There are 3 Sundays that our family, excuse me, Mondays that our family meetings will fall on. So, um, yeah, that's going to be fun because that means it's kind of like having that golden, or what they call it, that magic paycheck. An extra family meeting with my wonderful kiddos is great, and it's also right before Halloween. So that'll be fun because we have to figure out, we might do an event instead of the family meeting because Five Nights at Freddy's might be coming out. So I don't know. So here's the finished product. Again, I have those sticky notes behind there. I love the colors that I chose because it matches perfectly. So I have my goals. I will go back and set up my goals. I put in the birth dates that I need to kind of remember. And now you see my setup for the month, and this is the week I was kind of already in that mode. So this has been fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In real time, it only took me about 30 minutes to complete. Until next video, you guys take care.